Do I keep it? Do I donate it? Do we sell it? I don't know. There's so many options. What am I supposed to do with all of these toys? Have no fear, the declutter fairy is here. Now, decluttering toys is not as easy as waving my magic duster, but I can help you. Start by watching what your kids play with and sort them into piles, keep and donate. Okay, I followed all of your advice and only kept the toys that she plays with. But now what do I do with them? Take that keep pile and put it in a bin and add a label. Don't forget to teach your kids how to put those things away. Okay, so I put all of her favorite toys inside this bin. I'm going to add a label to make sure she knows exactly what it is, and I'm going to teach her. What else am I missing? Either donate the leftover toys, or if you aren't sure, remove them from the toy pile. Put them in a place where they can't really see, maybe a storage area. Set a reminder on your phone for 1 month from that date. If during that time your kids ask for that toy, pull it out and you know it's a keeper. If not, donate it. And don't forget to follow The Organized Mama. She shares practical organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials